Hello YouTube, welcome to the Cordipity channel. Today we are going to take everything that we've learned and create a snake knot bracelet with handmade microcord spacer and stopper beads. To make this bracelet, I have prepared a black paracord rope measuring about 3 meters in length. I have also prepared 3 microcord spacer beads with 1 extra as a backup. If you don't know how to make them, I suggest you watch my earlier video on how to make a spacer bead out of microcords using a 5-lead 4x Turk's head knot. I have also prepared 2 microcord stopper beads. You can watch my earlier video on how to make a stopper bead out of microcords using a 3-lead 2x Turk's head knot. I will be making a bracelet for a 17 centimeter diameter wrist. I will also be making the bracelet with the button and loop style. For a 17 centimeter diameter wrist, we need to tie 4 segments of 5 snake knots each, and we are going to place our spacer beads in between the segments. If you have a bigger wrist, you can add more snake knots, or less if you have a smaller wrist. So let's get started. To tie a snake knot, you take the left strand, wrap it around the right strand and behind itself to the left, forming an X. Next, you take the right strand away from you, over the X and down into the loop. We are making a button and loop style, so for the first knot, make sure to leave a loop at the top, big enough for our button. Repeat the same knot 5 times, but this time keep them tight and close together. After you have tied your 5th knot, take one of the spacer beads and work it into the bracelet. Just tighten everything up, trim the excess cords and tuck them underneath the Turk's head knot. I have completed the snake knots and placed all of my spacer beads in between the 4 segments. And now you want to make your button. There are many types of button knots out there, and for this bracelet I am using a 2-stranded diamond knot. To tie a 2-stranded diamond knot, first you take the right cord and form an overhand loop. Pinch the loop and rotate the loop 180 degrees. Make sure that the loop is over the left strand. Next, you just take the left strand up through the loop and create another loop. Take the left end and run it under the strand on the right. And into the loop that you have just created. And now take the right strand and go over and around the base of the left strand and take it up through the loop in the middle. Do the same thing with the left strand. Travel around the base of the right strand and up through the loop in the middle. Tighten your diamond knot and make sure you got the final measurement right so it fits nicely on your wrist. And next you want to attach your stopper bead. This is purely optional, but they really give your bracelet a nice and unique look. Tighten your stopper bead. Cut the excess microcords and paracords. Melt one end to secure everything down. And tuck the strands on the other side and hide them underneath the Turk's head knot. And now you have a snake knot bracelet with microcord spacer and stopper beads, button and loop style. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this tutorial, then please hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, then please hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and happy weaving.